Micro 2, the temperature drop. Emotion rises in the smallest pauses. When pressure increases, your voice becomes the regulating force. Lower your vocal temperature, not by sounding calmer, but by slowing the emotional release in your words. Longer exhalations. Softer consonants. Unhurried phrasing. You're not taking the emotion away, you're making the space safe enough for the client to feel theirs without flooding the interaction. Buffering emotion is a physiological act long before it becomes a linguistic one. Case: the executive under silent pressure. A Japanese executive was delivering feedback to a European team. His English was excellent, but the emotional strain behind his words was unmistakable. His sentences were clipped. His breath shortened. His tone tightened around every phrase. The team hadn't noticed. They were responding at normal speed, layering questions on him faster than he could regulate. The consultant slowed her tone, softened her voice, and offered longer pauses. Something shifted. The executive's shoulders loosened. He began speaking in fuller sentences. She hadn't changed the message. She buffered the emotional pressure long enough for him to re-enter clarity. Scenario practice, using closure and reflection. At the end of your next important call, ask, "Tell me which part of this feels the most important to you going forward." This seals the emotional and conceptual meaning simultaneously.